Hello everyone, and welcome to Zoho Marketing Automation. I'm Olena. Today, we'll walk you through the process of authenticating your domain, one of the most common questions we get. Proper domain authentication ensures your emails reach inboxes securely and efficiently, giving you a strong sender reputation while helping prevent spam or spoofing. Let's get started. Domain authentication verifies the origin of your emails, ensuring they're sent securely and reducing the risk of spam or spoofing. Zoho uses two key methods, SPF and DKIM. Both are essential for smooth email delivery and maintaining your sender reputation. So, let's set up it within Zoho Marketing Automation app. On the screen now you can see the dashboard of Zoho Marketing Automation app. Let's start by adding a sender address. Follow these steps. Click the settings icon next to the notification icon. Under Marketing Channels, click Emails. Select the Senders and Authentication tab and click Add Sender. Enter your email address or add multiple addresses. Click Save. As you can see, I've added a few email addresses up front to show how it looks like. When you add multiple sender addresses in Zoho Marketing Automation, it allows you to send emails on behalf of different departments or teams without needing separate accounts. This means you can manage all your campaigns in one place while personalizing your sender address for each target audience. It also provides flexibility. For instance, you can use one address for customer service and another for promotional newsletters, helping maintain clear communication channels. Moreover, verifying each sender address ensures that all emails meet security standards, protecting your reputation as a trustworthy sender. By keeping multiple verified addresses, you can streamline your workflow, track performance metrics for different brands or divisions, and maintain consistent email deliverability rates for all your marketing efforts. Next, you'll need to copy your SPF and DKIM records from Zoho. Again, click the settings icon and navigate to Email, select the Senders and Authentication tab. Locate your domain and click Setup. Copy the SPF and DKIM records using the copy icon. Then go to your domain hosting website, like GoDaddy or Cloudflare. Paste the SPF and DKIM records into your DNS settings and publish them. Remember, DNS record updates can take from 24 to 48 hours. Sometimes it may be updated immediately. So wait some time before checking the verification. Once your DNS records are updated, your domain will now move from incomplete to authenticated status. Additionally, for advanced customization, you can set up a custom return path. A custom return path is an address used to manage email delivery by directing bounce messages to a specialized subdomain you own, but that points to Zoho Marketing Automation servers, ensuring proper tracking and authentication. In this setup, you publish a unique name record in your domain's DNS after authenticating your domain with SPF and DKIM. This helps maintain your sender reputation and ensures that bounce processing is handled accurately. After adding your sender address, you'll need to verify it. Here's how. Receive the verification email. Once you've saved your sender address, Zoho Marketing Automation will send a verification email to the email address you added. Open the verification email. Log into your email account and open the verification email sent by Zoho Marketing Automation. Complete the verification. Click the Verify Your Email Address button in the email to complete the verification process. Check for verification status. After verifying, your sender address will be marked as verified in your Zoho Marketing Automation account. Important note: if you don't receive the verification email, check all folders, including spam and junk folders. If you still don't find it, contact Zoho Marketing Automation support. This step ensures that your email address is validated and ready for use in Zoho Marketing Automation. That's it. You've successfully authenticated your domain with Zoho Marketing Automation. This ensures your emails are delivered securely and your sender reputation is protected. If you have any questions or need further assistance, visit our help center or contact support. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.